Dear students, welcome to Dev's Academy. We were going through the chapter Arithmetical Progression. We will do the same chapter, Arithmetical Progression, but today we will get Arithmetic Mean. This is Arithmetic Mean in arithmetical progression. The procedure before going to the examples, I will go to some 4 steps. Number 1, if A, small letter A, capital A and small b are in AP, it is regarded that capital A is the arithmetic mean. It is, in short, it is called, abbreviated, it is called AM. AM means arithmetic mean between A and B. That is, capital A equal to half of, in bracket, A plus B, small a plus b. When there is only A and B is 2 terms, its arithmetical mean will be A. Arithmetic mean between A and B is half of, in bracket, A plus B. Remember this, number 1. Number 2, when the sum of the 3 consecutive terms of an AP is given, the terms are taken as A minus D, A and A plus D. Remember, when the sum of 4 consecutive terms of an AP is given, the terms are taken as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. Just see and remember these things. Number 4, for consecutive 5 terms, it is 5 terms in AP, take terms as A minus 2D, A minus D, A and A plus D and A plus 2D. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, 5 terms are there. For consecutive 6 terms in AP, take terms as A minus 5D, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D and A plus 5D. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term and sixth term. In course of our study, we will use the different steps that I have shown here. Just see this solved problem. The angle of an quadrilateral are in AP with common difference 20 degree. Find its angles. Here I have followed the previous formula. Let the 3 angles in AP be A minus D, A and A plus D. Common difference is that D equal to 20, it is given. The sum of 4 angles, that is A plus common difference, A plus D, A plus 2D, that is 40, A plus 3D, that is 60, equal to 360 degree. Because sum of 4 angles of any quadrilateral is 360 degree. Here we are getting that A equal to 60 degree. A is 60 degree, that is the first angle. Therefore the second angle will be 60 plus 20, that is 80 degree. Third angle will be 60 plus 40, 60 plus 40, that is 100 degree. And the fourth angle will be 60 plus 60, that is 120 degree. This is answer. Next, second question. Divide 96 into 4 parts which are in AP, and the ratio between of their means to product between their means and the product to their extremes is 15:7. Let the part be T1 equal to A, T2 equal to A plus D, T3 equal to A plus 2D and T4 A plus 3D. T1, T2, T3 and T4 are the consecutive parts where common difference is D. Then by the problem it is given that the ratio between their means is T2 by T3 by T1 into T4. That is first, these are two n terms and these are mean terms. Extreme, these are T1 and T4 are extreme terms and T2 and T3 are the mean terms. Is 15 by 7. It is given 15 by 7. So we are getting an equation like this: a square plus 3ad plus 2d square by a square into a square plus 3ad equal to 15 by 7. By calculating we are getting that a equal to d by 2 and a equal to minus 7 by 2. We will neglect the negative value of a. We will take only the positive value of a. We will take it. But it is given that the four parts are 96. Sum of four parts, that is T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 equal to 96. Now T1 equal to A, T2 equal to A plus D, T3 equal to A plus 2D and T4 equal to A plus 3D equal to 96. That is, we are getting 2A plus 3D equal to 48. But we know that A equal to D by 2, putting the value of A d by 2 here, we are getting a d by 2 to cancel out. This is 4d equal to 48. Therefore d equal to 48 by 4 equal to 12. Now a equal to d by 2, again so d equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. Therefore a equal to 6 and d equal to 6 and d equal to 12. D equal to 12 and a equal to 6. Therefore the four divisions are, when 96 is divided, T1 equal to a, that is 6, T2 will be a plus d, that is 6 plus 12, that is 18, T3 will be a plus 2d, that is 6 plus 2d means 2 into 12, that is 24, that is 30, and T4 will be a plus 3d, that is 6 into 36, that is 42. These are the four parts: 6, 18, 30 and 42. These are answer. This was today's two problems. Follow my classes and you will get all the problems solved. Thank you.